So, I just made a YouTube account. Honestly, it's nothing serious. I feel like I just have a lot of time lately. And, ewan ko, parang gusto ko talaga mag-edit ng something. Pero parang, di, parang, ewan ko, ayoko mag-cover lang ng songs. Parang gusto ko mag-edit ng video, ganun. So, ayun, ito, nag-edit ako ng video to like sum up a year. Like July, I'm making this July 25. I'm probably gonna post this tomorrow. So my videos, so the year I'm talking about is from July 25 to 25. And I don't know, I feel like the year has been hard. It definitely has been hard. And honestly, I feel like things are gonna change in the next few days. Like, things are gonna get harder. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I just wanted to look back at some videos or like some memories that really, helped me get through that year. Yeah, okay, that's it. My face.
Putang ina mo na. Nakakain. Tangina, ba't ako nahihilo?
Legit nahihilo ko.
I need to breathe, girl. 5 seconds. Wait. This is like high school.
Symbolizing shedding one's skin.